This is my favorite hen and my oldest hen. Her name is GLW. She is a gold lace Wyandotte. And she's went broody twice a year. Every spring and every fall she goes broody. And guess who's broody? She's gonna hatch out some babies. These guys have been using their nest box that I gave them. They're making a mess out of their food. Super excited for their eggs that I have in my incubator right now to hatch. See how many I get. Well, she had babies today. I haven't checked and seen how many yet or anything, but I'm going to do that in just a second. Okay, so she had 6 of them. And they are all that grayish color with what looks like it's going to be a white belly. But I don't want to mess with them too much or anything. She's a first-time mom. She had 6 babies. All of them are good. They're all cleaned off, fat bellies. So, yay! So here's my buck Linus. He is the dad of the litter that I just barely showed. This is his 2nd litter that he's fathered. So we sent our other ram to freezer camp yesterday. We needed the meat. I also sent 4 roosters to freezer camp yesterday. It was the 2 Turkins, the solid black rooster, and then the other one that looks like this one, but that had a red comb and a little bit less orange on it. So yeah, it'll be nice to have the chicken in our freezer and the mutton in our freezer.